Hey everyone, and welcome to another DIY painting video. In this video I wanted to show you my very simple home-built cabinet drying rack. This drying rack can hold roughly 30 cabinet doors, which should get you through most all kitchens except for some very large ones. And it's very portable. It basically breaks down into two U-shaped pieces, and then I just attach them up top with two 2-foot 2x4s just to brace them so they don't tip over. Basically, the whole construction is two U-shaped frames with a little bit of plywood in the corners to brace them, as you can see better in this picture. And they're about 36 inches apart. And then up and down on each side, every 4 inches, I drilled a 9/16 hole. And then I slide 4-foot, half-inch dowels between the holes. Basically, just to create a bunch of rows of dowels to hold my cabinet doors. There's really nothing to it. It costs $75 to make, and most of that cost is in the dowels. I'm sure you could probably find the dowels cheaper, but I think I paid about $2 per dowel, and I have 30 dowels, so that's $60. And then the 2x4s, some screws, I just roughly figured out $15. A rack that holds 30 doors, if you buy it online, it's going to be probably, I think I've seen a few. I don't remember exactly how many they hold. I don't think they hold this many. I think they hold 10 to 15 doors, the ones that are about $150, $200. To get 30 doors, I think you're looking at about $500 to $600. So it's a pretty good deal. And it goes in the back of my Suburban without a problem. And it's got 4-inch gaps in between each door, which is about the minimum you'd want. Ideally, 6 inches would be a little bit nicer, but you won't be able to hold as many doors, so you make a little sacrifice. And then here it is. I'm just using the HVLP sprayer, and my son moves the doors for me while I just sit and blast them out. That's all there is to it. Really simple rack. I'm sure you can figure it out just by looking at it. But I love it. Saves us a lot of time and allows us to do a lot of doors in a little space. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.